Hello everyone, got a new video coming out tonight. So yeah, it's just gonna be a little talk again. Um, then yeah, so we've got a few little bits to talk about, a few little loose ends to finish, and yeah, just discuss the next project, which is on the horizon hopefully. So yeah, I'll go to the garage and I'll talk to you soon. Right, so I've decided just to do it here, whilst I'm sat here. So yeah. You might have seen in the last video or the description there was a new GoFundMe page link, and it had JTech Mini Pickup. Right, so 6 years ago, when my best friend, or Dad's best friend, passed away, he was like a second like granddad to me. And 6 years ago, I was only 9 and that, and I didn't really know what I was going to do. And at that age, you don't really respect what you've got and that. And he promised me that we were going to do a mini pickup together, and that's always been the dream. Which I got my car because I couldn't afford a mini pickup because the value's gone crazy, which is why I've got that one, but doing it in memory of him. But my next dream, or the dream after this car, is to do a mini pickup, and that is the dream. So yeah, what we've done, what I've decided to do is to save up and get a mini pickup, because this project's coming to a close. I don't want to end YouTube, I want to keep on going and putting videos and bits up. So I've decided to save up and do it, but I don't know how it'll work. So the new GoFundMe pages for that, and that only, so the money that goes onto that page will go in an envelope or in the bank, and I'll just keep it sitting there until I finish school next year, and then we'll go and start a project and start it. The money isn't going to go towards anything else, it will just be to that. So you probably won't see the results of it for a year or two, but I will be back and it will be going towards that. The other GoFundMe page is for my car, and that's just to finish it off now, because I put about £700 as the goal, and I'm at 221. So we're nearly down that. The mini pickup, I put 500 quid, and I've had 20 quid donated this in the first hour of having it and that. So that's alright. And the other thing is, I'm struggling with this wiring loom, so it doesn't look as if the car's going to get started this weekend. So we're going to leave it for now and see what happens. But yeah, I don't know what's happening. I don't know where any of it goes. I'm struggling to read like Haynes manuals and things like that and bits. I've got all the fuse board in, fuse box with all the fuses and all the connectors to that. Got that done. But it's just the other stuff. I don't know, connections for starter motor, wiper motor. They're the bits I'm struggling with, and like the coil, alternator, things like that. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind checking out the GoFundMe page and that, I'd really appreciate it. Even if you go and look at it and read the story that I've put behind it, I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so yeah, the mini's coming. It will be happening soon, but with the revision keeps on slowing me down. But it's you got to do it, like, because if I don't get a good job, then I can't pay for the hobby and the minis and things like that. So I need to get on with this at the moment. But I will be back in that. If I go for about a month or two, I will be back straight after. I got mocks like in June, so it might go a bit quiet over June. But after June, then I've got some holidays for 6 weeks off, which means I can just go at it. And hopefully September time, we'll be looking nearer to an MOT and getting it on the road and let Mum use it for a year or two. And then when I pass, and I can use it as a daily for getting to work for electrician. And then the pickup will be concourse show car, so then I'll have my car as the winter car, and then summer shows and just in the sun the pickup will come out and that'll be garaged. And I've decided the colour for it and the scheme. I've decided what year I'm going to go for as well, what year pickup, and just keep on searching, because that's what my friend wanted me to do and that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please check out the links in the description, read the stories and things like that. Really do appreciate it. Thank you for everyone bearing with me as well. I've also started a range of stickers as well, so if anyone wants any stickers, then please let me know. Get them sent out to you, and that. So yeah, if you got any, like, I want to get this car done soon as. So if anyone, instead of donating money, wants to donate like parts or anything, then please do. They'll only be going towards my car. I won't sell them on, and I won't do that. I won't be anything like that. Whatever you send me, I'll put it on the car. I'll send you pictures, shout you out in the videos and things like that. And even if you donate money, I'll show you what I've bought with the money, shout you out and things like that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. And yeah, I'll see you soon. So thank you very much and cheers.